posted to TikTok by Wendigo Hunter 98. They write, I was out on a trail ride when my horse stopped dead in its tracks. Everything went quiet, and then we heard this. What is it? Did Wendigo Hunter get too close to a Wendigo? Let me know what you think down below.